1995 Chevy Caprice V8. Really nice car. It's only got 48,000 miles, all original. And you can tell it's really clean. Got factory converter there, second factory converter there. Then what we did on it, it came single from the deal of, originally right there. We true dualed it all the way back and dumped it in the middle. There and there. As you guys can see, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. He wanted it to growl. We said, we got you, no problem. There's the muffler, there's the wide pipe, there's the tailpipe, there's the resonator that we cut off right there. That's everything we cut off and dumped it in its place right there. There you guys can see. Like always, please guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Chevy Caprice, much better. I like it. Sound doesn't. Look at that thing pop. 115. Yeah. It sounds good though. Chevy Caprice. What do you guys think? I like it. It resonates off the ground. Yeah, it's resonating off the ground. It sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Caprice, classic. He's taking it to the paint shop next. He's building it little by little. When he's done with it, it's going to be a whole different car. He's going to put 24s on it. Yeah, sick. Hopefully it goes beast mode. It sounds good, sitting still. Oh yeah. 1997 Lexus SC400 Coupe. Sexy little car. Beautiful. What we got done on it. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then it's got factory pipe in the middle. Then somebody else did an exhaust system on it. It wasn't us. We just did the rear muffler delete, but I said I might as well show it to you guys. They did a pretty good job. So it's all 2 1/4, X pipe in the middle. Then they did a resonator delete, true dual all the way back. And we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And reused his factory tips. He wanted to keep it looking stock for now. He'll come back and we'll change those tips maybe later on down the road. But it's fully straight pipe other than the cats. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it we cut off. And these are bad about the heat shields breaking on them. So you just take them off so they don't rattle. So sometimes if you ever hear a rattle on these, that's why. The rivets on them break. There it is. That's what it sounds. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Lexus SC400 straight pipe all the way back with an X pipe. That's what it sounds like. What do you think? Yeah. Yes, thumbs up. Yeah. Go ahead. His second car that he brings to us. He has good taste in cars. Yeah, look at that. Give me gas. Wow, 113, bro. Hell yeah. 114. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Much better. I like it. That is so beefy out of a Lexus. Yeah, let you guys hear on the inside. 97 SC400. Straight pipe. Other than the cats. Factory cats, everything else is straight pipe. True dual. Oh yeah, man. 2005 BMW 545i V8. He's gonna drift this thing. So I said, okay. And he wants to piss off the neighbors. So we're like, as you guys can see, we can make it as loud as we can, and we did. There's the cats there, in there. Then it wires into a single there, with 3-inch pipe all the way back, connecting to his existing 3-inch, and he had a muffler delete done somewhere else when he just bought this car this morning at 8 o'clock. So as you guys can see, there it is. It has the M package bumper, but he doesn't want it. He's gonna drift it. He's gonna abuse the car, which I don't blame him. Let him have some fun with it. There's the 2 resonators that come on it. There's the big resonator that comes on it. So it comes with a total of 4. We cut it all off and made it beautiful. Yes? Yeah. I like it. There's sound decibels. Bro, it hit 120. Wow. That's awesome. Gotta back it out. BMW 545i, straight pipe. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 545i. Got M5 wheels on it. Still looks cool though. Those wheels look good on it. Lower. That was cool. 2005 Infiniti M45. I know you guys don't see these every day, so we said, why not? We'll put a video up for it. It's got 4 Cadillac converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it wires into a single, and usually comes with a resonator here. We cut that off. It comes with 2 more resonators here and here. We cut those off. Then it comes with 2 mufflers, or 1 muffler, sorry, right here. We cut that one off. I'll show you guys all of them in a second. And we straight piped it all the way back. M45 Infiniti 2005, right there. That's how you straight pipe them. There you go. There's the muffler. There's the piping. There's the dual resonators and the 3rd resonator. He didn't want any of that. He wants it as loud as possible. So that's what we did right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Infiniti M45, 109 on the sound decibels. That's crazy. Thanks, sir. Whoa. What do you guys think? Let us know. There's a cut off. That sounds good. Let you guys here on the inside.
Bro, sir, have fun.
Cadillac CTS V6. What we got done on it? Factory converters. Right there. Weird converters on this one. They're square. And there. Then we did a mid resonator delete. So basically it is true dual all the way back 2 1/4. And rear muffler delete there. And there, also 2 1/4. And then also black 4-inch tips out the back to complete the look right there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off. And there's the resonator we cut off. Dual in, dual out. So it is basically true dual all the way back. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell and all that. It is actually a Cadillac STS V8 North Star. Ooh. Wow. Not your average Cadillac. Your sound decibels? Right at 120. That sounds phenomenal. That's what the North Star is. Wow. It's got a really nice pop to it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah, babe. Enjoy, guys.